Hey YouTube fam, welcome back to my channel. I am here today with a full glam Eid look which I'm hoping that you guys will like, and if you do subscribe to my channel and do give this video a thumbs up. Now before getting into the video, I would like to wish all of you a very happy Eid, and I hope you all have a wonderful and a blessed day, and do not forget the unprivileged ones. Well, let's just get started with the video. Always prep your face before applying foundation. I'll be using Flexion Hypoallergenic Lotion and Beautified by Amna's Pore Fade Primer for today. Now because it's summertime and I have oily skin, so to prevent oil and to make my foundation last longer, I will apply translucent powder before my foundation. This loose powder is by Beautify by Amna. I will apply it before my foundation. And how to apply this? Just take it onto your brush and wipe it off all over your face. Do not place the powder onto your face for a longer time, because that is the step that you do after applying foundation, not before applying foundation. For foundation, I'm using my all-time favorite foundation by Sephora in the shade 10, and I'll be mixing it with Maybelline's Baby Skin Concealer. I wasn't worried about the cakiness and all of that because both of these are very lightweight and they give low to medium coverage. So I thought, let's give it a try and see how mixing a foundation with a concealer turns out, and I think it turned out pretty nice. For concealer, I will be going heavy today, so I decided to use Maybelline's Age Rewinder Concealer. I will mention the shade in the description box. Now this is a very nice concealer when it comes to hiding your dark spots or fine lines, but it is very thick and it can become patchy on your under eye area, so you have to prime and moisturize your under eye area very nicely before applying this. This is a tip that I'm giving you that will be very helpful because this is actually a very heavy concealer. I will apply concealer on my dark areas like on my under eyes, my loft lines, T-zone, and I'll also apply it on my eyelids because I have to do eye makeup after this. I also had to prepare my eyelids before I apply any shades. So for today's eye look, my eye makeup will be focused more towards the crease and less towards the eyelids. Every shade that I'll be used will be more towards the pink and purplish tones, and I will focus it on my crease with to and fro motion, as you will see step by step. If you have any questions or any difficulty to understand, you can always ask me in the comment section below, because I always try to answer each and every one of you. using this Essence liquid eyeliner today. I had heard a lot about it and I really wanted to use it, and it's pretty good. It is jet black, it dries up really quickly, it does not smudge on your eyes, and its tip is also very nice to apply it. I think it's perfect. This tip is totally additional. You can totally skip it if you want to, but I like to keep it a little extra, so I always try to play with some glitter. I will apply this glitter over my eyeliner to brighten up my eyes a little. For waterline, I'll be using this silver eye pencil by Essence. You can use a white eye pencil or a concealer or even kajal or black eye pencil on your waterline if you want to. I use this just to brighten up the eyes a little. For my under eye area, I will be using the same shades that I applied on my eyelids, and I also use this pink glitter in the Huda Beauty's palette and apply it on my under eye area to give it a little glam look. The mascara I'm using is by Acne. It's their curling mascara. You can see it has a curvy tip. You can easily curl your lower and upper eyelashes by using this. It is a pretty good mascara. I'll be using a dark brown eye shade for my eyebrows today. So to make it stay longer, I will apply a makeup fixer onto the brush so that it does not come off easily or with sweat, and it stays for a longer period of time. I hope you like this look. please do subscribe to my channel and do give this video a thumbs up, and do let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. I will definitely get back to you, and a very happy Eid to all of you. I will see you guys in my next video. Allah Hafiz.